This is a 6th grade pre-AP Chapter 4 test. I'll be reading each question and the answer choices. Don't forget to pause the video when you need to in order to work out your problem. And then remember also to bubble in your answer choices before turning in your test. All right, indicate the answer choice that best completes the statement or answers the question. Number 1, in a certain area, there are 35 houses to 55 businesses. Write the ratio of houses to businesses as a fraction in simplest form. A, 55 over 35. For every 35 houses, there are 55 businesses. B, 11 over 7. For every 7 houses, there are 11 businesses. C, 7 over 11. For every 7 houses, there are 11 businesses. D, 35 over 55. For every 35 houses, there are 55 businesses. Number 2. The table shows the results of a survey about the types of video games students own. Express the ratio in simplest form that compares the number of video games rated everyone 10 plus to the total number of video games. A, 28 to 123. B, 140 to 615. C, 56 to 246. D, 140 to 130. Number 3. On his fruit stand, Mr. Roberts has 13 papayas, 23 star fruits, 35 mangoes, and 19 strawberries. What is the ratio of the number of mangoes to the total number of pieces of fruit? Write in simplest form. A, 7 to 18. B, 35 to 90. C, 35 to 19. D, 14 to 36. Now, for exercises 4 through 6, express as a unit rate. Number 4, 162 heartbeats in 60 seconds. A, 0.37 heartbeats per second. B, 6.8 heartbeats per second. D, 0.9 heartbeats per second. D, 2.7 heartbeats per second. Number 5, 216 diving students to 12 instructors. A, about 0.06 students per instructor. B, 24 students per instructor. C, 12 students per instructor. D, 18 students per instructor. Number 6, 630 meters in 18 seconds. A, 35 meters per second. B, 27 meters per second. C, 42 meters per second. D, 0.03 meters per second. For exercises 7 and 8, use the ratio tables given to solve each problem. Number 7. Maggie's grandmother uses 16 limes to make 2 key lime pies. At this rate, how many limes does she need to make 6 key lime pies? A, 32 limes. B, 48 limes. C, 42 limes. D, 52 limes. Number 8. Miss Sims traveled to 42 countries in 60 days. At this rate, oh, I'm sorry, you can't see that. Number 8. Miss Sims traveled to 42 countries in 60 days. At this rate, how many countries would she travel to in 40 days? A, 22 countries. B, 24 countries. C, 28 countries. D, 44 countries. Number 9. Laurie can type 675 words in 7.5 minutes. Kathy can type 570 words in 6 minutes. Use unit rates to determine if each pair of rates is equivalent. A, no. Since the unit rates 90 words per minute and 95 words per minute are not the same, the rates are not equivalent. B. No. Since the unit rates 92 words per minute and 95 words per minute are not the same, the rates are not equivalent. C. Yes. Since the unit rates are both 90 words per minute, the rates are equivalent. D. No. Since the unit rates 99 words per minute and 95 words per minute are not the same, the rates are not equivalent. Number 10. Lamar earns $375 for working 25 hours, and he earns $600 for working 40 hours. Predict the amount Lamar will earn for working 80 hours. A. $1,800. B. $1,200. C. $1,000. D. $1,500. Number 11. At a car wash fundraiser, $168 was raised for washing 24 cars. The next day, $280 was raised for washing 40 cars. Are the rates equivalent? A. No. The first unit rate is $8 per car, and the second is $7 per car. B. No. The first unit rate is $7 per car, and the second is $8 per car. C. Yes. Each unit rate is $8 per car. D. Yes. Each unit rate is $7 per car. Number 12. Suppose 1 out of every 12 bowlers have their own bowling balls. At the same rates in a group of 192 bowlers, predict how many you would expect to have a bowling ball. A. 10 people. B. 85 people. C. 16 people. D. 36 people. Number 13. A particular amusement park ride makes 156 revolutions in 3 minutes. At this rate, how many revolutions does it make in 2 minutes? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer documents. Number 14. 3 out of 5 cookies on a tray are chocolate chip. If there are 45 cookies on the tray, predict how many will be chocolate chip. A. 15. B. 27. C. 135. D. 56. Number 15. The ratio of students that play basketball to students that play football is 8 to 40. Which of the following is not an equivalent ratio? A. 2 to 10. B. 3 to 8. C. 1 to 5. D. 6 to 30. Number 16. Nina can type 45 words per minute. Write the ordered pairs, number of minutes, number of words. Nina can type for 0, 1, 2, and 3 minutes. A. 0, 0, 145, 290, 3, 130. B. 0, 0, 145, 290, 3, 135. C. 0, 0, 145, 280, 3, 135. D. 0, 0, 140, 290, 3, 135. Number 17. Christine drove 350 miles from Houston to New Orleans. If Christine spent $3.50 on gas for each 20 miles traveled, how much did she spend on gas for the trip? A. $6,125. B. $700. C. $2,000. D. $61.25. Number 18. Kendra goes bowling every month. She plays 2 rounds for $26. Kendra wants to try and find a bowling alley that has better prices. Which bowling alley has the best package? A. Bolorama. B. Lacey's Lanes. C. Penn's. D. Stryker. Number 19. A recipe for lemonade calls for 2 cups of sugar to 5 lemons. Which decimal is equivalent to the ratio of sugar to lemons? A. 0.5. B. 0.25. C. 0.4. D. 0.52. Number 20. Evaluate. 2 3/4 divided by 1/2. A. 2 3/8. B. 5 3/4. C. 11. D. 5 1/2. Bonus questions for 6th grade, Chapter 4 tests. Number 1. A preschool student has 2 yellow blocks and 8 blue blocks. How many blue blocks must be added so that the ratio of yellow blocks to blue blocks is 1 to 6? Number 2. For every 1,000 feet above sea level, the air temperature decreases by 4 degrees Fahrenheit. The highest natural point in Texas is Guadalupe Peak at 8,751 feet. If the temperature at sea level is 76 degrees Fahrenheit, what is the temperature at 8,000 feet? Number 3. Jay is cutting a roll of biscuit dough into slices that are 3/8 inch thick. If the roll is 10.5 inches long, how many slices can he cut? That's the end of the Chapter 4 pre-AP test. And make sure again to fill in your answer document before turning in your test. All right, thanks.